it's not supposed to be this good. Hey guys, how's it going? Justin here from Walts, and today we're taking a look at the Klipsch R-8 subwoofer. It's a compact 8-inch subwoofer designed to deliver a ton of bass without taking up much space, not only in your house, but also in your wallet. Now, if you stick around to the end of the video, we will be doing a sound test, and we'll have that connected to some bookshelf speakers with the sub on and off, so you can really tell the difference. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now, in terms of size, the R-8 is definitely on the smaller side for most subwoofers out there. It's got a height of 13.25 inches, a width of 11.75, and a depth of 11.75, and it weighs about 15 pounds, so really not that big, not going to take up a ton of space. The finish is a nice black polymer veneer, and it seamlessly blends into most of your home decor. It's very rare that you can get a subwoofer to blend in, so the fact that it's just not super busy and pretty basic, pretty small, you can hide it anywhere, makes it attractive for a lot of people. Now, this is a downfiring subwoofer, so you're not going to be able to see the subwoofer visually. Both the woofer and the port are on the bottom of the speaker, so you don't have to visually see that if you have this out in your living room. Now, the R8 does have line level LFE and RCA inputs, and this is going to just ensure that it's compatible with both old and new receivers. The low pass, crossover, and phase control are definitely big upsides to this sub, as you do get to control that more in depth. Personally, I like being able to adjust that more on the subwoofer than the actual speakers itself. So depending on what set of speakers you're connecting this to, this could be a deal breaker for you, in which this subwoofer does have that feature. And if you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It really does help me out. Now, let's talk audio. I'll give you some more specs so you can kind of bounce that around with what you've been looking at. At the heart of the R8 is the woofer. It's an 8-inch woofer. They call it the copper IMG woofer, which stands for injection molded graphite. And typically, it's known for its exceptionally light yet rigid sound. The design helps with the lower frequencies and just reducing that resonance that some people cannot kick. It also has a frequency response of 38 to 120 hertz, plus or minus 3 decibels, and a maximum acoustic output of 108 decibels. This subwoofer was made to handle a large array of listening sources, whether that be sports, gaming, movies. It can do it all, and at a very, very fair price. Also, the MDF cabinet will reduce unwanted vibrations, which will ensure clean and accurate bass recreation. Now, believe it or not, that pretty much sums it up for the R-8SW. I think this sub is a great option for people who are not necessarily looking to rattle their house, yet they still need bass in their system. Like you'll see in the sound test, we have the R8 hooked up to some bookshelf speakers. The nice thing is that adding something even as small as the R8 takes care of all those lower frequencies, allowing the bookshelf speakers to focus on the mids and highs, which naturally is going to make them a little bit louder, but more importantly, a lot more clear, a lot more crisp when, the speaker's not fighting all these different frequencies. It has a subwoofer to take care of those lowers so the rest can shine. Now, it is time for the sound test, but I want to know what you guys think. Is this something you could see in your own system? And if you've already purchased one of these and you want to share your comments down below, we'd love to hear from you. If you're looking to pick one of these up, I'll leave the links down in the description if you want to directly support me. As always, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. If this is a product that you're interested, make sure to email me at youtube@walts so I can get you a special YouTube discount. If you haven't already, subscribe for more videos like these, and we'll see you in the next one.